I started solving Rubik's Cube because my friend brought one to study hall and I thought it was impossible. So I decided to learn and then I just stuck with it over 5 years and got really good.
Yeah, that's why it inspired you.
Yeah, just the inspiration to keep getting better every day. Better than you were yesterday.
So what was the today?
I solved 3 Rubik's Cubes in under 1 minute.
Did you have to go under training or anything when you pick it up?
I learned on YouTube originally, and then I went through various means and kept improving my method and getting more advanced until all it was recognizing cases and hitting algorithms with my hands, and I just keep practicing every day.
Thank you.